Hey, what's going on everybody? Dave in here helping you play creatively. Today we're gonna look at 4 chords taken from a Disney song, When You Wish Upon a Star. And the chords are gonna be E minor 7, E flat, diminished 7, D minor 7, and then a G13, all right? I'm gonna show you how to play that. You could apply this to things like lo-fi, or you could apply this as maybe a passing chord in between a verse and a chorus of a song. So we'll get to all that. Well, what are the chords that I'm playing here? Here we have E minor 7, and the notes are E, G, B, and D in my left hand, and then G major chord in my right. I'm doubling up on the diminished chord here. I just love that diminished sound. If you have been watching the channel, you already know, like, I just love that diminished chord sound, all right? Then we have D minor 7 here. So sometimes I'll play this inversion with D, F, A, and C for my left hand. And then for my right hand, it's the same thing. Sometimes in my right hand, I'll switch down to this inversion here, okay? C, E, F, and A, all right? And then we have this G13, which is in my left hand, a G, D, F, and then we have B, E, F, and A, okay? So if I went too fast, feel free to pause the video, rewind, do what you gotta do to catch those chords, and then let me show you how I would apply them, all right? So like I said, you could apply this for lo-fi, so you can feel it out however you want to, you know, like. All right, so that's up to you. But another way of application would be maybe between the verse and chorus of a song. So one song that I would use this in would be As the Deer, okay? And so we have as the deer panted for the waters of my soul, longed after thee. Okay, so you could apply this in between like 2 sections where there is enough space. So anyway, I hope you found that content helpful. If you like content like this, you know what you gotta do. You gotta like and subscribe. That helps you to get the content every time we push it out. That helps us to get it to more people. And then if you wanna learn the piano in a step-by-step process, you gotta go to play-creatively.com, where we have courses, charts, and other resources that will help you grow in your piano playing journey. Until next time, you gotta keep watching, you gotta keep learning, and we'll keep growing together. I'll see you in the next video.